The BR4066 features an automatic operation mode that will save you time and money when training staff. The interactive display allows the operator to see what is operating and make necessary adjustments while in operation. A heavy-duty stainless steel pre-sweep tray allows for small debris to be recovered while cleaning. Transport wheels are built in for easy transportation to and from approved emptying areas. With heavy-duty, thick-walled tanks, painted steel squeegee assembly, and a 5.5 gauge steel frame, the BR4066 can clean in tough environments. When you order a BR4066, you receive all the standard features to get the job done that most competitors make optional. Some of these features include a standard heavy-duty long-life battery pack, roll bar with amber safety strobe light, a brake wash mode, 2-speed selection switch, and much more. The BR4066 features a wet side scrub brush that allows for cleaning along walls or other tight areas. A dead man switch is featured on the seat, allowing operation only when the operator is seated.